This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is part 7 of Radian measure of angles. And we're just continuing doing problems converting between degree and radian measure. And we're going to do these two problems on this video. So it says convert from degree measure to radian measure. For this first problem, notice we have a negative sign, so our final answer should have a negative sign as well. So how do we do this? We've got negative 215 degrees over 1, right? And we want to get rid of the degrees because we're going to radian measure. So you want to multiply it by something where the 180 degrees is in the denominator, so the degrees cancel, and 180 degrees is the same thing as pi. So by doing this, multiplying by 1, you'll get the degrees to cancel, and your answer will be in radians. All right, so now you see how the degrees cancel out, right? See, they're going to both cancel out there. And then we've just got to simplify the fractions here. And we've got a negative sign, so I know my answer is going to be negative, right? And we just have to start reducing. So you have to think what number goes into 215 and 180. All right, so 5 goes into both of them. I see that right off the bat. So if I divide the top and bottom by 5, so you have to do 215 divided by 5. I think that's 43. And I'm going to make sure. Yep. All right. And then 180 divided by 5 is 36. I have videos on how to easily divide by 5, and that's what I used. Well, that's not going to cancel any more than that. So I've got my minus. In the numerator, I'm going to have 43 pi. And in the denominator, I'll have 36. And that is the radian measure. You don't have to write radians. You could just write the real number. Okay, next one. Pi over 3 degrees. That looks really funny, and a lot of people automatically think when they see a pi, they're going to put the pi in the denominator. So a common mistake is to write 180 degrees like this. But do you see what's wrong with that? What would happen? The degrees would not cancel. So you would have like degree, which doesn't even make any sense. So don't look at the pi. Look at whether you want to get degrees in your answer or if you want to get rid of the degree symbol. And in this case, we want to get rid of the degree symbol. So you got the degree symbol here. And then you need to multiply by, same thing I did up here. To get rid of degrees, you want 180 degrees in the denominator and a pi in the numerator. So the degrees cancel, but none of the numbers cancel. But you're going to have it in radians, just a real number. And what do you have? Pi times pi. That is a number. Pi times pi is pi squared. And then we have 3 times 180. That's 540. So that is the exact answer. Now, if you wanted to know approximately what that was, you could take your calculator and do pi squared. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go pi times pi and then divide by 540. And this is a very tiny number. This is approximately 0.018 to the nearest thousandth. So if you would plug that in, that's how many radians. Very, very tiny. And think about it. What's pi? That's about 3.14. So it's about 3 over 3. It's about 1 degree. Tiny. 1 degree. Very small in radians. So these are two kind of tricky problems there. And we're going to go on and do some more problems on the next videos. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.